it is mobile order only, but if you look in the menu, oh, here we go, hold on. I just had one allergy. It would probably be okay to order from here. It is pretty much only a order on your mobile app thing, but I have too many allergies. So I know I want to try the cauliflower stuff because I've heard great stuff about it. It's crispy cauliflower with florets with a sweet and spicy chili sauce, coconut blue rice, Thai cucumbers, and edamame. I have to make sure I don't have any allergens in there. I believe you can have it, but I'll find out. They've got what else do they have? They have a chapa salad, which might be what I end up with, although it might be okay. A salmon, a noodle bowl, which probably is not safe for us, a salsa ropa vieja, chicken surprise, chicken Stewart's Szechuan surprise, okay. Agnes's honeymoon soup, and then an allergen note. Once placed prior to fulfilling, a member of the team will meet you to discuss your options. There you go. So, you place the order, but then you might not be able to have it, which seems kind of strange to me. So they're getting someone because I had too many weird little issues. And then I'm gonna get water first, but we'll figure out what we're gonna get here. I have a pet rock, cream puff, Swiss roll, cupcake. I don't think any of those are gonna be safe for us, but I'll find out if there's anything that's, right now for me, not chocolate as well. Or I may just go next door and see if I can get one of those pops. So we'll see how it goes. And they have freestyle soda, they have iced tea, but I could get some orange juice, apple juice, Powerade, which might make sense today, courtesy water, which I definitely want to do. The antidote. Oodles of banana flavor with minion colored topping and graham cracker crumbles. Can't do that. Tastes like a banana cream pie. They took the crumbles off, maybe. There's alcoholic drinks, sodas, wine. No way in hell am I doing that today. And this is probably all I'm going to be doing here, so we shall see. But they don't let you in unless you consciously are ordering. You're going to place an order. Once they saw that I was doing that, they set me at a table. It doesn't, I mean, it's not packed, but most people are sitting outside if they're not doing it. I desperately need water right now. We'll figure it out. I may even go up to the freestyle and just get some water. We'll see. So I placed my order. The chef Robert came out. He had all of the menu allergens marked off, and we talked about what was there. I probably could have gotten the tomato soup with the cheese. He said there's a lot of flavors going on. There's cheddar cheese, pimento cheese. There's basil oil, there's the soup, so there's a lot going on there. And I got the impression that while it probably is very flavorful, he started to get concerned about the layers of, I don't know, maybe I'm misreading it. But I take that back. My question was, do you think it's going to be salty? He went, it depends. And let's not do that. Yeah, it's got pork belly in it too. So I knew that all those layers of stuff tends to get salty, and I don't like super salty foods generally. While it might be useful today, I do like to be careful about it. So that's where we are, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, there we go. Thank you so much. I have my size of my head courtesy cup of soda. I'm actually going to do lemonade because I don't want to go soda bubble thingies. So we're going to pick a flavor, make a drink, and then we'll be done. Just a quick look around the Minions Cafe because it's cool looking, just so you can see what it's all about. So it's all kinds of Minion themed stuff and yellow stuff, which makes me happy because banana. Trying to figure out what's in that tube up there. Can you see what's in that tube up there? I don't know. So it's nice. Food options were great, and Universal's been great at marking their stuff for allergies, which is making me happy. But I think I have to go out and brave the heat. I'm going to do one more look to see what other rides are out there. I may just hit the store and then head on back. It was here. Picture if it's going to go right here. It's a small serving. It's not overwhelming, which is nice. But the peach iced tea or peach lemonade you see in the pictures I'm showing, and the entree together, the two pieces are $21 and change. That's a little pricey, but not ungodly. I am glad they put the sauce to the side, just in case it's too hot. So you've got edamame, and it's cold, which is wonderful. Lightly marinated like in a rice vinegar. So it's a little bit sweet. That's really nice. Then we've got Thai cucumbers. Again, cold, refreshing. And vinegar. sorry about that. Jeff actually went over to get the menus from the popsicle stand too to tell me what I could have. So can't have any of the cream-based ones. Those aren't really safe. But any of the almost all of the popsicles. There was one that had a check mark. I forgot to read what it was, but lemon mint, strawberry, mango. There was a raspberry lemonade, I think you said, or raspberry lime or something. So a number of different flavors. So some really good options for me that I might try for this. So part of me choking earlier, the vinegar just went down the wrong pipe on the cucumbers, but it's a sweet, nice, Asian flavor. I guess I put blue food coloring in the rice because it's really blue. Tastes like rice. Nice seasoning actually. There's a little bit of salt in there. Kind of a warmer flavor. That's kind of nice. But the real reason we're getting this, well, as I drop little rice pieces, is the cauliflower. So I'm gonna try that first alone. Nice crisp, nice kind of having a crisping outside. Pardon the blue rice there. Obviously salty, but not overly salty. And now we're gonna try it in the Thai dipping sauce, sweet and spicy sauce. Okay. Not overly spicy at all. And you see chili flakes in there. It's like like a higher end sweet and sour, if that makes sense. So I don't see the whole dish with sweet and sour, spicy, and the sweet vinegar and the edamame and the cucumbers really comes across as sort of like a lightly sugared edge to it. Not that it's that sweet, but it's not super salty, which is perfect for me. And this is peach lemonade, and yes, it is neon orange. It's not because the tables are yellow. It is just neon orange. And I like it because the peach kind of tones down the sharpness of the lemon. That's really quite lovely. So I'm gonna eat this. We'll see how I feel. But if this has helped you figure out how to eat gluten-free in the parks, please give this video a like. Oh, so all right, before I go, I'd say that, as they were saying, for the mobile order, if it's a simple allergy, like a single allergy or even two, you put your order in, but you mark that there's an allergy on there, you'll see the spot, and then if you mark that, then when you get to your table, then the chef will come out and consult with you to make sure you can have everything. I find that a little hard, simply because I have so many allergies, there's always a hidden something or other. But it sounds like most of the things they're able and or willing to moderate and change. That's great. Yeah, I mean, and then once he and I talked about it, I just physically placed the order in the mobile app with him here, or there's a counter where you actually can hit a register at the front, so you could do either option. So if this has helped you figure out how to, enjoy all of the stuff, like share, subscribe, all the good stuff, none of the bad stuff. And I don't have a tagline. Singing hey ho, a maiden's life, 1, 2, 3. Hey ho, a maiden's life, won't you drink with me?